Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting. Building a website usually takes hours of coding, endless tweaking, and a lot of patience, but what if you could skip all of that? What if you could simply describe the site you want, and in seconds, see it come to life, complete with design, layout, and even working features? In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool that promises exactly that. Let's see if it really delivers. So the tool I'm talking about is called Bolt.new. It's an AI-powered platform where you can literally type what you want to build, and it generates the code, design, and structure instantly. Today, we're going to use it to create a developer portfolio website, something every coder needs to showcase their skills and projects. To start, just head over to Bolt.new in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see a clean editor with a prompt bar where you can describe your project. Let's type a prompt to create a portfolio website for a web developer and designer. Once we enter the prompt, Bolt.new starts generating multiple code files automatically. You can see them in the Code section, where you're free to modify any file or tweak the content as needed, whether it's HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. This gives you full control over the structure and design, so you can make the site truly your own. On the right, the Preview section shows a live view of your website as it's being built. On the left side, you can follow the progress of your site, including the generated files, the commands executed in Bolt.new's terminal, and other useful information such as dependencies being installed or background processes running. This makes it easy to track exactly what the AI is doing behind the scenes and ensures that you can step in and adjust anything at any time. Overall, this setup creates a smooth workflow where you can generate, customize, and preview your portfolio site all in one place, giving both beginners and experienced developers an efficient and intuitive building experience. After a short moment, the generation is complete, and we can now explore the full preview of our developer portfolio. The site comes fully structured, with all the sections in place, from the About section to the project's showcase and contact form, giving us a solid foundation to work from. At this stage, everything is fully editable. You can update text, replace images, adjust layouts, and even modify styles to match your personal branding. If you want to make bigger changes, you don't even need to touch the code. You can simply write another prompt describing the modification, and Bolt.new will update the site accordingly. Once you're happy with the site, you can preview it live right here in Bolt. And when it's ready, you can export the full code base, connect it to GitHub, or even deploy it directly using hosting platforms. So in just a few minutes, we've gone from a blank page to a fully functional developer portfolio website, with design, code, and features all generated by AI. Of course, you can refine it as much as you want, but this tool gives you an incredible starting point that saves hours of work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tools tutorials and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.